If your erections feel weaker than they used to, you're not imagining it. And more importantly, you're not alone. For many men, it doesn't happen overnight. It starts gradually. A slight drop in firmness. A slower response. Moments of inconsistency. At first, it's easy to ignore. But over time, it becomes harder to dismiss. And the question begins to grow. What's actually happening to my body? Before we go deeper into this, take a moment right now to hit the like button. Comment below where you're watching from. And subscribe so you never miss simple, medically grounded strategies that could help you protect your performance and avoid bigger problems later. Hello, gentlemen. I'm Dr. Hannah Cole. And over the past 20 years, I've worked with men across all ages dealing with this exact concern. And here's what I want you to understand right away. Weak erections are not caused by just one thing. They are usually the result of multiple systems gradually becoming less efficient. So today, I'm going to help you understand what's really causing the problem, and how to start fixing it in a way that actually works. Let's begin with the foundation. Blood flow. Every erection depends on circulation. When blood flow is strong and efficient, erections feel firm and reliable. But when blood vessels become less flexible or slightly restricted, that flow becomes weaker. And so does your erection. This is one of the most common reasons men experience changes. Now here's the important part. This doesn't mean something is broken. It means something needs attention. Now let's go deeper. Your nervous system. This is what sends the signal that triggers an erection. But if your body is under stress, those signals become weaker or disrupted. So even if blood flow is available, the message isn't being delivered properly. And this leads to inconsistency. Now here's something many men don't expect. Your mind plays a major role. If you're thinking, will it work? Is it strong enough? What if it fails? You create pressure. And pressure activates stress. And stress interferes with performance. So what started as a small physical issue becomes a larger psychological one. Now let's talk about hormones. Testosterone influences desire, energy, and responsiveness. And as levels gradually decline with age, your body may require more stimulation and more time to respond. But here's the key point. Lower testosterone doesn't mean no function. It just means your approach needs to adjust. Now here's where everything connects. Weak erections are rarely about one cause. They are about interaction, circulation, nervous system, mental state, hormones. When one is affected, the others follow. So now let's shift to the most important part. How do you fix it? First, improve circulation. This doesn't require extreme measures. Simple daily movement, staying hydrated, and supporting overall cardiovascular health can make a noticeable difference over time. Second, reduce unnecessary stress. This is critical, because stress directly restricts blood flow. Simple practices like controlled breathing and slowing down before intimacy can help your body shift into a more responsive state. Third, stop rushing. Your body, especially as you age, responds better to gradual buildup. The more you try to force instant performance, the more resistance you create. Fourth, pay attention to patterns. If something is changing consistently, it's worth addressing early. Because early awareness allows easier improvement. And finally, shift your mindset. Because confidence is not just emotional. It directly affects how your body responds. When you trust your body, you reduce interference. And when interference is reduced, performance improves. Now here's something I want you to take seriously. Weak erections are not just about intimacy. They can be early indicators of circulation changes elsewhere in the body. Which means, this is not just a performance issue. It's a health signal. And when you respond to it early, you protect more than just one aspect of your life. Now let's bring this all together. If your erections are getting weaker, don't panic. But don't ignore it either. Understand it. Respond to it. Work with your body instead of against it. Because when you do, things begin to improve. Not instantly, but consistently. And consistency is what builds confidence. If today's video helped you understand what's really happening and how to start fixing it, then the next step is critical. In our previous video, we talked about the early warning signs your body gives before erection problems become more noticeable, signs that many men overlook until it's too late. You need to watch that next. Because when you combine awareness with action, you move from uncertainty to control. Click the video on your screen now. And if you're serious about improving your performance, your confidence, and your long-term health, make sure you subscribe and stay with us on this journey.